my name is Lisa. Welcome to One Lisa Show. This is a video I haven't done in a while, and it is a monthly plans video. So these are my plans for October 2021. I have 4 items I am interested in completing this month. Actually, who am I kidding? There's a huge list I have of things I want to do, but I want to be realistic. I don't want to push myself. We're getting into the last quarter for work, and the holidays are approaching. So I'd like to share with you and kind of make myself accountable for at least getting these 4 items done. And it is a dreary day here in Indiana. It is October 2nd, and we had rain this morning, a massive downpour. I think we're about to get another storm, but it is still unseasonably warm. It is in the 70s and now a little humid from the rain. But we haven't had a lot of rain in quite some time, so it's a good thing. The first thing I want to mention is today I am wearing Simplicity 9116. It is a top with a grown-on sleeve. It has a very 80s vibe to it. And this is a super snuggle flannel from last year at Joann's that I got on sale for $2.99. And the only difference I made with this pattern is I elasticated my sleeves when I hemmed them. That was it. I don't know if this will help you out at all. The line drawings could be a dress, a top, and pants. I would like to make these pants one day, but I haven't yet. I thought this was appropriate to wear because upcoming is an item I want to make with the remainder of this fabric. But let's get started on my first more anticipated make that I plan. It is Simplicity 1887. I have mentioned this before. I've made these shorts out of a quilting cotton, and it is very simple, elasticated waist, loose fitting shorts, skirt, capris, pants, and I'm going to make the pants with the bow tie waist. And the line drawing is as simple as that. I actually have 3 versions of this. I have 3 of this pattern. The first one I bought was the wrong size bracket because I had not sewn yet. And so I did not realize I wasn't my ready to wear size. The second one, I wanted to make these shorts last summer and I made them. But I also cut the pattern. And now that I have measured myself, I think I'm going to be a size smaller. So I'm going to make these. So I waited for them to be on sale for 99 cents at Joann's, and I picked up a third pattern. This time I traced it, and the fabric I chose is a Rayon Challis from Minerva. I had 2.5 meters, and it's a lightweight Rayon Challis. I'm not used to working with fabrics that aren't a poplin or a quilting cotton. These have a little bit of, a flimsier fabric, slippery fabric. They don't want to work so nicely. I had to really take my time cutting this, but I already cut the pieces, so this is the scrap left over. And I do plan for that to be a sew-along, so you can watch me make them, because I did make the shorts about a year ago, so it's a nice pattern to revisit and do something different with. The second thing I really want to get done this October is make the Closet Core Patterns dog coat. That is a free pattern. I'll put in a picture here of it. But it is a free pattern if you are on the mailing list for Closet Core Patterns. And it comes in a variety, most any dog. And if you can adjust the length and so forth to match the width that you need for your own dog. I'm going to make it hopefully out of the scraps of the shirt I'm wearing, because my Penny girl is a girl and I think she would really look cute in this, and I think it'd be really cute and snuggly on the inside. I don't know what the outer fabric will be, but I am going to make it out of scraps, and I'm looking forward to that make. She is always chilly. She's a dog that likes to burrow herself into like a little burrito or a ravioli in a blanket. So I think this winter will be chilly for her, so I want to get a head start and try to get the fit down right. And so this is the fabric I'm going to use. That's going to be the interior, the lining. And the exterior might be a scrap of one of the other projects I'm going to show you right now. Next up is my third project that I want to accomplish. I have this very lovely fabric from Beyond the Pink Door. Andrea had this on a Sunday live stream. This was a few months back, and I thought this is the most versatile fabric. It is a gray stretch cotton. I've already pre-washed it. I want to make either the Nina Lee Camden pinafore dress with that. However, that's a fully lined one, and I don't necessarily know if I should use that stretch cotton fabric for a pinafore, or if I should try to look for a different pinafore where maybe that stretch fabric would be a little more useful. Or on the other side, that could be a great pair of pants or a skirt. I'm leaning more towards a great pinafore or pants, but I'm nervous to try pants on that without making a muslin first because the fabric is absolutely gorgeous. So I'd love your thoughts on that. So far I have the Closet Core dog coat, which is a free pattern, the 1887 Simplicity pants out of a Rayon Challis. That one I'm going to film to share with everyone. The fabric I love, but I'm a little torn on what to make with, is the gray stretch cotton. And my final one that I need to get done this month is actually a crochet project. This is Vanna's Choice Lion brand in dark gray heather. It is an acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic. It's a very reasonably priced yarn that you can find online. I don't know if the craft stores are selling them. For a while, they were not selling Vanna's Choice yarn. It's very soft. It's very snuggly. It's a 4-weight yarn. And I'm going to crochet my niece a cardigan for Christmas. Every year I make both my nieces a sweater of some sort for Christmas. It could be crocheted, it could be both. There have been times where I've made it where I've crocheted like a sampler of stitches for the front piece and knitted the remainder pieces and then stitched it all together and put the ribbing on, and it looked great. This time I'm going to do a cardigan. I never really see them wearing them since they were toddlers. However, it's something when they were each born, I knew I wanted to give them something handmade every year for Christmas, as long as I'm alive. And so I've been eagerly looking forward to making their sweaters this year. I'd like to get Sarah's sweater done this October, and then that'll give me November to do Isabel's. And usually, every year, it has been what I call unicorn poop. It has been either pink, lilac, or baby powder blue every year, or a combination of those 3 colors. This is the first year where I'm going all out, and I'm going to do this dark gray for my older niece who's 9 and is into Guns N' Roses and heavy rock, heavy 80s and 90s rock. And she wears a lot of black and a lot of dark gray and red. So I'm very excited to make her a cardigan just to keep her warm, maybe in school. And her sister will get the same cardigan, but probably a different color. I usually make them the same sweaters. And since when they were toddlers, I'd see them in them, but not so much. I don't think they're sweater girls, but that could always change, right? I thought I was going to be doomed to unicorn poop for the rest of my life. This is the first year I'm not doing either of those, that trifecta of pink, baby blue, or lilac. So I'm very happy about that, at least. So those are the 4 items I think I can comfortably get done in October, and I'm looking forward to trying to squeeze a few more in, but I don't want to overdo it. And if I do, I will share those with you at the end of the month. I really, really, with all my heart, want to go to Joann's and check out their Halloween fabrics, and that was my plan to do today, and I decided not to because I really need to firm up and not be that person that is always like, ooh, I gotta do that. Ooh, that's cool, I gotta do that. That's the downside to watching everybody's videos, is there's always something else you want to do. If you have any thoughts for my gray stretch cotton fabric, it's similar to like a lightweight denim, but it does not really have the twill pattern to it. But it is lightweight. I really, really want to use this fall because I think this gray is a great neutral tone and will go with a lot of my wardrobe, and definitely for fall and then into winter. So I want to get that done sooner than later. So if you have any ideas, right now I was thinking that Camden pinafore, but like I said, it is aligned. I aligned pinafore, and I like the idea of that fabric being stretched to kind of give me that little extra ease. I don't think I'll have that if I line it. Or if there's another pinafore pattern that isn't lined that would be just as good, I'm open to suggestions. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. And if you liked this video, please, 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 by all means, give me a like, a thumbs up, leave a comment, or consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. And then you'll be able to check out and see how my makes turned out at the end of the month. Keep an eye out. I will be posting in the next couple of weeks that sew along for 1887 after I get it finished. And have a wonderful day. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.